Oshawa Tower, this is Cessna 150, Golf Foxtrot Delta Hotel at 2,500 feet by the nuclear power station coming in with information uniform coming in for low pass back to City Center.
And Golf Foxtrot Delta Hotel Tower, roger. Runway 30 is the active, altimeter is 3010. Cleared left downwind and report established on the downwind.
Moving forward, when established on the left downwind for runway 30 for Golf Foxtrot Delta Hotel, thank you. Oshawa Tower, Golf Foxtrot Delta Hotel, established on the left downwind for runway 30, thank you.
Okay, Foxtrot Delta Hotel Tower, roger, number 1.
Number 1, Golf Foxtrot Delta Hotel, thank you.
Foxtrot Delta Hotel Tower, after departure, left turn southwestbound, wind is 340 at 5, clear to approach runway 30.
After departure, left turn out is turning down base and clear for low approach, Golf Foxtrot Delta Hotel, thank you. Oshawa Tower, this is Golf Foxtrot Delta Hotel, clearing the zone, heading back to City Center, thank you.
Foxtrot Delta Hotel Tower, roger, changed en route frequency.
Mayday, 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 this is Golf Foxtrot Delta Hotel, 2000. Heading down, engine just died at 2,000 feet. Please help me, 2,000 feet, 2 engines, the engine is completely died. I'm gliding right now to best speed.
Foxtrot Delta Hotel, what area are you over?
The zone right now, I'm looking at the... Oshawa Tower, Cessna 172, Golf Foxtrot Hotel. They're sliding at 60 knots. Engine just died right now. There's a highway, there's a street here. I don't know if we should land here. I want the street here. Where should I land?
Foxtrot Delta Hotel, just watch for traffic and land wherever you think you can safely land. And get in touch with me once you're down safely. Okay, Foxtrot Delta Hotel Tower, roger. Do whatever you need to do to land safely. Foxtrot Delta Hotel, land wherever you can safely, sir. Golf Foxtrot Delta Hotel, are you on frequency at all?